Thank you for joining today's class. In this class, we are going to discuss today about some relational operators and some logical operators used in C programming language. Some of the relational operators are less than, greater than, less or equals to, greater than or equals to, and not equals to. Please note that the equals to relational operator is combined by two equals to sign. A single equal sign denotes the assignment operator that we have used previously. Now, the relational operators gives the Boolean value, that means the output of the relational operator is either true or false. For example, let us do some example. See, the output is 1. The output 1 denotes the relation is true. I have told it gives the Boolean value. Boolean value means either true or false. Now, the true is denoted by 1 and the false is denoted by 0. Now, since the value of a is equals to 5 and it is less than 7, therefore 5 less than 7, the condition is true, therefore the output is 1. Now, let us check by giving here the greater than symbol. Now I am checking whether it is greater than 7 or not. Now since it is a and 5 is not greater than 7, therefore the output should be 0. Let's check. See, the output is 0. Okay. So in this way the relational operator works. That means it will compare two values. If the result is true, then it will return 1. If the result is false, then it will return 0. Say I am writing here a equals to 5. Now the value of a is equals to 5, therefore a equals to 5 must be true, so the output must be 1. See, the output is 1. Okay, in this way the relational operator works. Another set of operators we will study today, that are the logical operators. So let us write here some logical operators. So some of the logical operators are double ampersand, that is and, this is or, so some of the logical operators are and, the symbol is double ampersand, or the symbol is double pipeline, and not, that means the exclamation sign. These are the three logical operators. How does this work? Let us study. उससे पहले इसका कुछ काम हम समझ लेते हैं. एंड ऑपरेटर, एंड का मतलब क्या है? For example, how do we use and in an English sentence? For example, I want a pen and a bag. That means I want both of them I want. If I am having the pen, then I am not satisfied. If I am having only the bag, I am not satisfied. If I am having both of them, then I am satisfied. That means the and needs everything to be satisfied. On those cases we use and in English, right? In the similar way, the and is used in the C language also. And means everything is satisfied. Now here everything means what? Everything means here conditions. Okay, the and operation is used generally with the conditions. Without condition also we will use and operators. I will show them, but generally the and operation is used as a condition. Okay, with the conditions. For example, say I am writing here a equals to 5 and a is less than 3. Now here are two conditions. One is a equals to 5 and another condition is a equals to 3, and among them, between them, one condition is true, a is equals to 5, this condition is true, but a less than 3, this condition is false. Now since I have given and operation and both of them are not true, therefore the output should be 0. Let's check. See, the output is 0 because both of them are not true. Now if I am having here the OR operation means when we write OR in English, that means I need a pen or a bag. That means मुझे एक पेन होने से भी चलेगा या फिर एक बैग होने से भी चलेगा. Either of them I am getting, I am satisfied. तो और ऑपरेशन का मतलब यही है, कोई भी एक कंडीशन अगर ट्रू हो जाए देन द आउटपुट, टोटल आउटपुट विल बी ट्रू. अगर सारा कंडीशन फॉल्स हो देन ओनली द आउटपुट विल बी फॉल्स, अदरवाइज द आउटपुट विल बी ट्रू. नाउ हियर वन कंडीशन इज ट्रू, राइट? a equals to 5, it is true. Now a less than 3 is false, so it does not matter. Since this one is true, therefore the output will be true, that means 1. So let's check. See, the output is 1. Okay. Now another one, नॉट ऑपरेशन. नॉट ऑपरेशन क्या करता है? उल्टा कर देता है मीनिंग को. जो भी आउटपुट आएगा उसका मीनिंग उल्टा कर देगा. ट्रू को फॉल्स कर देगा, फॉल्स को ट्रू कर देगा. ठीक है. Now I am giving here not of a equals to 5 or a equals to a less than 3. Now we know that this condition is true, right? क्योंकि यहाँ पे odd operation है और एक condition true है, therefore the overall equation is true. But आगे not लगा हुआ है तो ये total equation false बन जाएगा. See, it is 0. Okay? और बीच में अगर and लगा देते तो ये equation false होता, right? क्योंकि एंड को तो दोनों कंडीशन ट्रू चाहिए और उसमें एक कंडीशन ट्रू है और दूसरा कंडीशन ट्रू नहीं है, तो ओवरऑल टोटल कंडीशन इज फॉल्स, बट आगे नॉट लगा हुआ है तो टोटल कंडीशन बन जाएगा ट्रू. लेट्स सी, इट इज 1. ओके, सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. आप कुछ और चीज़ें देखेंगे हम लोग ये रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर और लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर्स के ऊपर. I am not giving here any condition. I am just writing A and B. What is the meaning of this? I haven't given any condition. I have given A and I have given B और उसके अंदर and operation हो रहा है. देखो यहाँ पे A में भी कोई condition नहीं है, B में भी कोई condition नहीं है. इस तरह के cases में क्या होगा? Whenever there is a non-zero value, that may be positive or that may be negative. Whenever there is a non-zero value, the variable will be treated as true condition. Okay, in these cases, whenever there is a non-zero value, the variable will be treated as true condition. So a का वैल्यू 5 है, इट इज़ नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0, सो दिस विल बी ट्रीटेड एज ट्रू. अगेन b का वैल्यू 1 है, दैट इज़ नॉट इक्वल्स टू 0, सो दिस विल बी ऑल्सो ट्रीटेड एज ट्रू. नाउ ट्रू एंड ट्रू इज इक्वल्स टू ट्रू, देयरफॉर लेट्स सी द आंसर. The answer is true. Okay, true and true is equals to true. Now let's check. I am giving here b is equals to 0. b is equals to 0. So a and b का वैल्यू क्या होगा? a is true here because the value of a is not non-zero. 5 means non-zero and b का वैल्यू है 0. That means false. So what will be the output? True and false is equals to false. Right? एक वैल्यू false है मतलब false. See, the output is false. Okay. Now again sometimes there are confusions के हमें अगर नेगेटिव वैल्यू दिया जाएगा तो क्या होगा? I am giving here negative value. Negative value also is treated as true value. Non-zero value, any non-zero value is treated as true value. So a is true, b is also true. True and true is equals to true. Therefore the value should be 1. Let's check. See, the value is 1. Okay. Now in the similar case will happen with the odd operator also. Say I am giving here b is equals to 0, b equals to 0 and a or b. I am doing a or b. Now a is true and b is false. b is equals to 0, so b is false. एक true है, दूसरा false है, so the value must be true in case of odd operator. Let's check. See, the value is 1. Okay. Okay. Next, another thing. Say I am giving here, this is a very interesting thing. You say I am giving here plus plus a or plus plus b. ठीक है. अब आप लोग जानते हैं पिछले क्लास में हम लोग सीखे हैं कि प्री इंक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर मतलब इसी स्टेटमेंट में तो उसका इंक्रीमेंट हो जाना चाहिए. सो इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट आई एम प्रिंटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ ए एंड बी. We are going to print the value of A and B after this statement. Please guess what may be the answer. Pause the video and guess. Now I am going to execute. Let's see what the answer is. See, it is 6 and 0. That means the value of A has been incremented by 1, but the value of B has not been incremented, right? But both of them are having pre-increment operation. Why? Because it is the odd operation. Odd operation का मतलब क्या है? दोनों में से कोई एक भी अगर ट्रू होगा तो काम चल जाएगा. तो प्लस प्लस ए हमारा ट्रू हो गया है. ए का वैल्यू 5 था, प्लस प्लस ए इट इज 6 नाउ. सो it has decided that the output is true, so it will not execute the next part. Okay, अगर आउटपुट एक भी ट्रू मिल गया है और में तो वो नेक्स्ट पार्ट को एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करेगा. ठीक है, तो दैट्स वाई प्लस प्लस बी इज नॉट बीइंग एग्जीक्यूटेड. तो इसलिए बी का वैल्यू 0 ही रह रहा है. सो इट इज 6 and 0. ओके, लेट्स सी दिस आउटपुट अगेन. सी इट इज 6 and 0. ओके, in this case what will be in case of AND operator? Okay, let's check. Say I am giving here B and plus plus A. So the value of B is equals to 0. So the AND operator knows that the output will be false. क्योंकि एक भी अगर false हो जाएगा condition तो output will be false. So it will not check the next operation. Similarly, ठीक है, तो देख लो आउटपुट क्या आना चाहिए, आप लोग गेस कर लो. यस, द आउटपुट शुड बी फॉल्स, राइट. और ए का वैल्यू भी आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा, ए का वैल्यू 5 ही रह जाएगा. लेट्स चेक. सी द आउटपुट इज फॉल्स. ए का वैल्यू भी 5 है, बी का वैल्यू 0 है. ओके ओके, लेट्स डू समथिंग वेयर बोथ ऑफ देम विल वर्क. So I am giving plus plus b and then plus plus a. Now plus plus b will give 1. That means this part is true. Now and plus plus a. Now the a part will increase. क्योंकि ये वाला जब true हो गया है फिर भी हमें ये वाला execute तो करना पड़ेगा and operation का checking के लिए, right? and operation के checking के लिए जब तक कोई भी false नहीं आ रहा है तब तक काम होगा. ऑड ऑपरेशन के चेकिंग के लिए जब तक कोई भी ट्रू नहीं हो रहा है तब तक काम होगा. ठीक है, सो इसका आउटपुट ट्रू होना चाहिए और ए और बी दोनों इंक्रीमेंट होंगे. लेट्स चेक. सी इट इज 1 and 6 and 1. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड.